What's going on, guys? In today's video I will be unwrapping this AirAid intake, cold air intake system, just so you guys can see what you can expect if you order it. I'm going to put all the information down below in the description. Go check it out. In my personal opinion, I think this is probably one of the better cold air systems you can get for your HEMI, and I'll explain a little bit more into that in the video. So let's get this thing started. Alright guys, so this is the box that it comes in. Pretty big box, but not overly sized. Let's go ahead and start opening this thing up. I have not opened it yet, so it's gonna be all over the place. Packing. There's my puppers. She doesn't like the camera at all. If you can't tell, she's not even gonna look at it in the face. Oh yeah. All right, back to it. Well, right off the bat, you can tell this thing is huge. This is your filter, obviously. This thing's absolutely massive. Dear Lord, look at that thing. I mean, it's huge. Holy crap. Alright, now that we got the filter out of the way, let's go ahead and set this aside. Put that right there. You have something to seal off the actual intake box so that it's not getting in all the trapped air inside the engine bay, which we won't have that problem anyways because I've cut the holes in the hood, which some people did not care for very much on the internet. But that is okay with me. I don't care. It's my build. Anyways, this is your intake inlet housing. Normally you can tell if it's going to be a decent cold air intake if it actually seals itself off like this one does. It'll be sealed off away from the engine bay heat. That's how you can tell if it's a good one. You'll see a lot of them like AEM and K&N, they don't fully enclose. They're kind of just open, and in reality you're just sucking up all the hot air that's in the engine bay. It's not really doing anything for you. Back to it though. You have two couplers right here. They're put together. Got that coupler and this one right here, which I'm going to assume goes from the intake tube to the throttle body. I have not got an upgraded throttle body yet. That is coming. I plan on having a full bolt-on HEMI by the end of the winter. That way when it comes time to start racing again on the track, we'll have some decent power and maybe we can dip into the 9-minute range. You got another little coupler. This is going to go for your intake housing, and I'm assuming that it's gonna go directly to the filter, which brings everything together. Then of course your intake tube, piping, whichever you want to call it. It seems pretty nice. I don't see any cracks or anything. Normally the biggest issue is these little bung holes right here. Is you go to put stuff in there and it doesn't fit, and you gotta kind of MacGyver it in yourself and get it to work. But hopefully with this being a pretty nice kit, I don't foresee having to go through that issue. This is all your hardware, of course. Got little nozzles, all sorts of goodies so you can get it all fixed in place. Little known fact, they actually, when they give you the horsepower rating on these cold air intake boxes and everything, actually it's not the hardware itself, the cold air intake itself that gives you all the horsepower. It's the stickers that you get with it. So I'm gonna say that big one right there is probably worth every bit of 10 horsepower, and those little ones 2 apiece. I'd say I'll probably make about 25 wheel horsepower to this bad boy. But you got all the stickers. I like stickers, and your instructions. That is pretty much everything you get from it. As you can tell, I got a bunch of other parts that came in. Don't mind the mattress. I got a spare mattress for friends. And the resonator delete kit sitting over there in the corner. With that being said, guys, I will be doing an install video probably in the next week or two. I've been really busy with work, so I haven't been able to post. Also, once this is on and I get those resonator deletes on, I'm gonna go ahead and start tuning the car. I went ahead and did a 180 thermostat, did a quick little tune, just changed the fans and did a little bit of stuff with timing to deal with intake air temps and how much timing it pulls. But I am doing a video on that, or I did do a video on that, excuse me. And I'll put the little icon right up here somewhere. It should flash up. And it's super easy. HP Tuners is an outstanding software. But other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I look forward to installing all this stuff. I'm looking to make 400 horsepower. I think it's possible with all the bolt-ons that I have now and a nice tune. I believe I can make 400 horsepower. But other than that, have a great day. Don't forget to like this content. Comment down below what the next thing you would put on your car if you were in my situation. And share this video. Have a good day. Goodbye.